primetime news this evening, progress. Suspecting Daniel Rowe's murder to face identification parade in coming days. Transport Minister refuses to rule out outside help as probe continues into Sangster Airport shutdown. And more questions about gag order imposed on government members regarding illicit enrichment probe.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Kalisha Williams. With a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Javon Keys.
Well, Kalisha, the Supreme Court has handed down its judgment on the sale of Mystic Mountain. I'll give the details a little later on.
And Jordan Ford has a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Well, the excitement is building, Archie. We're just about 7 hours away now from the start of the World Athletics Championships in Budapest, Hungary. And 15 Jamaicans are slated to be in action on the opening day. I'll have the details of that and so much more in Primetime Sports Friday.
All of 15. Really excited.
Exciting times. We also have Romain with a preview of the weather report.
Thanks, Kalisha. Now, just about all parishes this afternoon had some amount of showers or some amount of thunderstorm activity, and we are expecting more of this to continue tomorrow as well as Sunday. We're not expecting any significant drying until about the middle of next week.
Thank you, Romain. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime, as well as our Bite of the Week in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what improvements have you noticed at the country's two main airports following the recent shutdown of both?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.